Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Today, me and Mr. Rana are going for a drive in this lovely Huracan EVO rear-wheel drive. Let's go. Okay, so we're in the rear-wheel drive Evo. Some statistics for you. Still has the 5.2 V10, 610 horsepower via the rear wheels, but there is no rear wheel steering. So it's rear wheel drive and the normal steering from the front wheels. So, as all the Lamborghini fans are aware, Lamborghini has always built rear-wheel drive cars until they brought out the Diablo VT. So rear-wheel drive is not a new thing for Lamborghini. It's the essence of what they used to build, and it makes the car feel very, very natural. You feel very connected to the car. I've revised quite a few things from normal four-wheel drive Evo. So the rear valance, for example, puts down 70% more downforce to get more grip on the rear wheels when it's trying to gain traction, to accelerate. The steering is fabulous. Without the rear wheel steering, it is very positive. There's no power going through the wheel because it's rear wheel drive, so it feels very precise. Okay, while we're at the traffic lights, I'll just change. So Strada, as some may be aware, is street mode. Effectively, the car's more relaxed, a bit more comfortable. If we engage sports, the exhaust valves will open, the throttle is a lot more responsive, and the car is more playful. So on the rear wheel drive setup, you can slide it a bit more if you want to. And the noise has just got that lovely V10. So in sport, the dials are highlighted in yellow. If we tab down once more, it then engages Corsa, which is race mode, where the dials completely change. This is the most aggressive, I could say, or the most performance focused driving for the car. Gear change is very fast, and traction is maximized for the rear wheels. So this car also features on the rev counter, there's a blue indicator at the top to change gear. This has come from the SV model, I'll show you this now. And then from the rev counter, we have the new infotainment system that's available on Evo 4-wheel drive and 2-wheel drive, which is standard. There is some optional features here, which is the phone apps, which is the smartphone interface, which allows you to plug in your phone and use via Android or iPhone, Google Maps, Spotify Music, Waze on your sat navigation, and it's all touchscreen. You also have the updated Lamborghini sat navigation system also. Okay, to summarise, the rear-wheel drive Evo, 610 horsepower, straight to the rear wheels. It's the purest Lamborghini. The feel of the steering wheel, it builds a huge amount of adrenaline, and you can feel the car moving a lot more. Great fun.